Hello everyone, this is Luoyang Industry. Now we are at our machining workshop, and in front of us these are the ruler sites. We have finished the final assembly, and there are total 320 pieces, 20 sites. These are some of the products have finished the assembly. Okay, next we can see some spare parts and also see some assembly process. Okay, these are the rulers. These rulers, they mainly processed on the CNC lathe. They have finished the processing, and now they are waiting for the heat treatment and the assembly. These are also the spare parts for the ruler site. We can see these are the bearing bracket, and these are the shaft pins. Later, they will be assembled together with the rulers and also the bearings. These are the bearings that will be used in this project. And for the bearing brand, we adopt the LYC. This is the famous brand in China. And for the ruler site, each site will use 2 sets of this kind of bearings. Okay, now in front of us, this is the furnace. We can see the rulers was heated in this furnace. The heat temperature is about 160 Celsius degree, and after 1 hour and a half, temperature keep warm, and then the temperature will be cooled to about 100 Celsius degree, and then the ruler was moved out and assembled with the sleeve. We can see these are the sleeve and also the spacer rings and also the flange. We can see the flange. This is the hot shrinkage fitting and also the interference assembly. So when we heated the ruler, the temperature is high. So the inner ring, the inner ball will be enlarged, so it can be assembled together with the sleeve and also the spacer rings. Yeah, this is the assemble with the sleeve. Before the assemble, we will do the clear. Yeah, this is the spacer rings, and this is the flange. We assemble these 3 parts together, and then the ruler will be the ruler will be assembled together with the bearings after the temperature is to about 40 Celsius degrees. We can see these are the finished assemble with the flange, the inner sleeve, and also the spacer rings. Now the temperature is still very high, and when the temperature is cooling to 40 Celsius degree, they will be assembled together with the bearings. We can see these are the assemble with the bearings. Okay, now the ruler is cooling down. It can be assembled with the bearing. Before we didn't do the assembly with the bearing is because the temperature is too high. So when it assembled with bearing, it will hurt the bearings. So when the temperature is cooling down, we disassemble this flange and then assembled with the bearings. Yeah, this is the bearing that will be used in these rulers. So, still before the assemble, we will clean the rulers. And these are the oil grease to make sure the bearing can run smoothly during the application. Yeah, we assembled it together with the flange. This is the sealing ring. Is a before the assemble, we will coat the product with the grease. There are for one side ruler, there are total 2 sides of bearings will be adopted. In the bearing on this side and also the bearing on the other side. Now we are assembled the bearing on this side. Yeah, this is the oil grease. Okay, now they have finished the assemble with the bearings. Now we use the screws to fasten the assembly. Now we are doing the assembly with the roller. Do the assembly with the shaft pin, also the inside position sleeve. And now we make the assembly tight. Okay. This will be the final assembly for this roller site. This is the spacer and also the lock nut.